All right, so we're going to make another mic check, and we're going to do this in a demo trading environment. Last trade we got, picked up $40. One before that, 160. One before that, 240. So let's see here what we got. What would we do right now? I think we would take a buy, and then we would grab our take profit, take it about 5 ticks out. Take the stop loss about 7 ticks out, maybe it's a little bit lower, and 10 ticks. So 2 to 1 opposite. That's the risk reward ratio that I would particularly use. I want to give a trade breathing room, but at the same time, I also want to just grab that. Now listen, this actually, the way we have this set up here, this is probably going to be a safe target up here at 23 ticks. Which that's the second time today we've had a 23 tick take profit set. However, right now, really just trying to see if we can get something inside of this little short clip that we're going to make while I test this microphone. Not sure if you guys will be able to hear that jet. I'm hearing that jet. What a world we live in right now, huh? What a world we live in. But listen, let's get ours while we can. We're down $40. At a minute and a half. Okay, here we're not starting to see something. Let's see if we can get something. I'd like to get 3 to 5 ticks before I turn this off. But if nothing else, I'm not losing, right? I'm not losing. That's another thing about trading. Sometimes it's a winner, but more often than that, you just need to avoid the losers, okay? So we're avoiding the losing trade right now, and it looks like we're going to... Come on, give it to us, give it to us. All right, minus 40. I don't want to give back what I traded earlier, so maybe we'll do some editing on this video, and obviously we're going to pull back out some of the silent dead times, and then we're just going to hold this. We're at 2 minutes and 22 seconds. I'd like to actually be able to make a few $100 while I'm sitting here. Again, this is demo, okay? So this I'm not actually making this money, but for me at this point in time, I take every entry, whether it be in demo or in my regular account. I take all the entries as seriously, one at a time, that you need to do the same thing. All right, come on now. Let's see, 2 ticks. Still looking, I feel like right now that we've still got breathing room for sure to take this trade in our direction. What I have on this chart, this little magic weapon right here, this is our edge right here, MPT2. All right, the margin power trading 2-minute profit identifier is what we call this. It's telling me right now I'm still poised for a gain. There's 1 tick, so now we're up 40. Come on. Let's see 5. Let's see 4 or 5. It's afternoon session, so for that reason, I don't think we're going to get I don't think we're going to get too many of these right here. Okay, these are 2-minute candle, so there's a lot of movement in that 2 minutes, and in this 2 minutes, and that 2 minutes, but we're not likely to get up there again. But things are looking. Here we go. Come on. What I don't want to do, I don't want to see a reversal because of low volume. And I'm not volume, I'm talking about audio volume. I'm talking about trading volume. I don't want to see the reversal come up on me. My 10 over here, right here, this is positive. It's my direction. We're positive over here. Not only are we positive over here, but we also have some failures. Which, if you get in the course, you're going to see how I read this. We have a signal system for those of you who really need to see signals. We're working on upgrading the signal system to get actually a better signal. The signal, trying to signal what I act on, is not as simple as you might think. It's easy to see, but trying to get to programmatically get that to build in, it's a little more challenging. We're at 5 minutes. I don't like being 5 minutes into a trade. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. A little bit of pullback, but my indicator strategy is telling me that that is all that is a pullback. So I'm going to hold. Pullback is not the same as a reversal. So let's see what happens. Held through the pullback, slight profit. All systems are go. Let's see what it gives us. There's 80 bucks for what? 12 minutes, 13 minutes. Now we're back at 40 bucks, 80 bucks, 120 bucks. Let's take that. There it is.